Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade granola. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Now if you don't have old-fashioned rolled oats, you can use quick cooking oats. The texture of your granola will just be a little bit different. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. You're going to need 1 cup of Rice Krispies, and I like using this because it gives a lightness to my granola. Next, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, and a 1/4 cup of raisins. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Next, you're going to need 5 tablespoons of honey. But if you want to, you can substitute that with maple syrup. To that, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of canola oil, and you just want to make sure you use any kind of flavorless oil. Mix that really well before you add it to the dry ingredients. One thing about making your own granola is that it's very customizable, so you can use whatever you have on hand or whatever you like. If you don't like pumpkin seeds and pecans, you can use walnuts, cashews, peanuts, and if you don't like cranberries, you can skip that. You can use all raisins, so it's whatever you like. All you have to do now is add the mixture to the dry ingredients, and you want to make sure you mix it really well. You want everything to get well coated. Like I said earlier, you can make your granola with old-fashioned rolled oats or quick cooking oats. I've made mine with both, but I prefer the old-fashioned rolled oats. But you can try out both of them and see which one you like best. Put this on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and evenly layer it on there. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. Bake this in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to take it out and give it a stir, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven and bake it another 5 minutes. Be careful, don't burn yourself on the pan, it's very hot. Now that it's done, I want to show you what it looks like before it cools down. It's not going to be crispy right when you take it out of the oven. It's still going to be soft, but when it cools down completely, it will crisp up. So this is about 30 minutes after it cooled down, and as you can see, it's crispy now. This is just the best granola I have ever tasted, and not because I made it, but it's just exactly how I like my granola to be. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's got everything I like, and yeah, it's just the best. You'll want to store this in an airtight container. So I just like to use the parchment paper to help pick it up and put it in there. And then once I get it in there, that's when I like to break it up a little bit, but not too much because I still want big pieces of granola. Well, I really hope you like this one. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.